Are you ready to dance your way to fitness? Welcome to our Dance Cardio Party workout. This isn't just your ordinary workout, it's a celebration of movement, rhythm, and the joy of fitness. The best part? It's perfect for everyone, regardless of fitness level or dance experience. So, whether you've been dancing for years or you're just stepping onto the dance floor for the first time, there's a place for you here. Our Dance Cardio Party workout combines the fun of a dance party with the benefits of a full-body cardio workout. It's a great way to burn calories, improve coordination, and boost your mood, all while grooving to the beat of some fantastic tunes. But before we dive into the dance party, let's get warmed up. Warming up is essential for preparing your body for exercise and reducing the risk of injury. So follow my lead and get those bodies ready to dance. You're doing amazing, everyone. Keep that energy up and let's keep this party going. As we dive deeper into the rhythm, let the music take control. Feel it pulsing through your veins, guiding your every step and sway. This is not just about burning calories, it's about letting loose, feeling the beat, and most importantly, having fun. Now let's kick it up a notch with our next routine. Don't worry about nailing every move. This is your dance floor, your moment. Let your body move to the rhythm. The steps are just a guide, your spirit is the real star. We're going to switch gears now, shifting into a dance sequence that's all about high energy and high impact. No need to be a professional dancer here. It's all about feeling the music, letting it guide your body, and of course breaking a sweat. All right, we're halfway there. You're doing great. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale the energy, exhale the fatigue. Stay connected to the rhythm. Feel the energy circulating around the room. We're in this together, each step, each beat, each breath. Let's move into our next high-energy sequence. Feel the adrenaline pumping, your heart racing, your body moving in harmony with the music. This is where we challenge ourselves, push our boundaries, and prove that we can do anything we set our minds to. Remember, the aim here isn't perfection. It's about moving your body, feeling the beat, and enjoying the journey. So keep that smile on your face, let your body groove to the rhythm, and embrace the energy of the dance. As we approach the end of our high-energy dance sequences, I want you to remember why you started. This is more than just a workout. It's a celebration of your strength, your resilience, and your passion for dance. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the music. Keep that spirit alive, keep dancing, and remember, you're not just working out. You're creating a symphony of movement, a masterpiece of energy, and a dance party that's all your own. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to cool down and give our bodies the love and care they deserve. Let's switch gears from our high-energy dance party to a soothing rhythm. Picture a gentle wave, rolling in and out as we move into our stretches. Let's start with a deep breath in, and as you exhale, reach for the sky. Feel the stretch in your sides, and let any tension melt away. Now let's move to the lower body. Imagine you're drawing a circle with your toes, one foot at a time. Feel the release in your ankles and calves. Remember, cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It allows your heart rate to gradually return to its resting state and helps to prevent muscle stiffness. Thank you all for joining me in this Dance Cardio Party workout. Until next time, keep shining bright and living your best, healthiest life. See you on the dance floor.